Manlawi ko ng gitili.
And as we start this lesson, may you give us wisdom, and may you guide us in our journey as a student and as a individual of this and give us more blessings and give us overcome the world of the This is all we ask through Christ our Lord.
Good morning, everyone.
Bakit naman ito? Bangko.
So, good day, everyone. I am Kyra Bantagan, and here I share history and prepared us to discuss about the elements of drama. So, throughout our discussion, we will unwrap the main elements that make drama such a captivating form of storytelling. From the characters and plot to the settings and dialogue, we will examine how these elements work together to create compelling character experience. So now, let's embark on these dramatic adventures together and discover the magic that lies within the elements of drama. So before we start, I would like to remind that anyone who will participate in oral participation will receive additional points that will be added to your written assessment. So let's start. So elements of drama. Who of you here have an idea about what is drama?
drama. One. Very
good. So, mga drama ko naman na kanay what have you observed about the drama? Kung tingnan ka ng oh, very good. So, drama consists of characters, settings, plot, or any other mga ayaw mga members ko ay parang anak. So the enactment of drama. So enactment of drama. From the word enactment or enact or to do the action or to perform the play. So it is performed by actors on the stage before an audience. Presupposes collaborative modes of production and the collective form of perception. So enactment of drama is the action that is action by or the action played by the character. So let us welcome Ate Oscar
Types of
So
drama.
I want kanang badili. Kanang badili sa five types of drama. There are various types of drama such as tragedy, comedy, farce. So, tragedy, when we say tragedy is primarily a form of drama that ends of sadness. For example, I say for sadness because the tragic hero has a downfall which definitely give lesson to the audience. So, for example, one example is King of the Realm and the gods and none of those. The example of tragedy is King of the Realm and the gods are not of the grave. Second is a comedy. A comedy is a form of drama that typically ends in happiness. So one example of this is Genocide, the Lion, and the Human. Okay, na? Yes. Tragic comedy. This both tragic and comic elements in the given shows the play has a tragic tone in end theory. For example, is Big Bird. Subject of the comedy character characterized by a color and expressively is description often on result of forming sound or form of reception or mind communication. For example, is the importance of being earnest by Oscar Wilde. So, nasasana ako sa type of drama? Yes. element, which is blood. And I know you are already familiar with this, so I want someone to give an idea about what is blood. Anyone? Another? Yes.
That refers to the sequence of events in the story.
Okay, very good. Can you give the hand for So, plot lays out the series of events from the entirety of the play. So it serves as a structural framework which brings the events to a cohesive form and sense. So without a plot, it is difficult to create a compelling drama. So there are two models of plot, and I know this were discussed by Torniado last meeting. So I know you're already familiar with this. So I want another hand to give an idea what are the two models of plot. Okay, Richie asks.
One.
Models of God is the Aristotle unified structure, and the
Okay, very good. Can you give a hand to There are two models, and I will not be going to dig deeper in this two models because I know you already mastered these models. So, to a large extent, the success of a dramatic play depends on how the events of the play unfold, which is the plot. So, it is one of the essential elements of drama as it takes the audience on the journey. If the plot brings us or okay. Dadanta sa lain-lain nga mga lugar. So, that is. Next is the theme. So, I know you are already familiar with this, so another hand for the Canod boy. So, Pamela, can you is the central idea or the hidden message of the story? Okay, well said, very good. So, Torniado, another idea?
So, therefore, me is the what of the story.
Okay, very good. Give a hand to Torniado. So, theme is a unifying element of drama that defines the dramatized idea of the play. So, it is the central idea, as Pamela said, it is the central idea or the hidden meaning of the story. So, it gives meaning and hence create an emotional impact towards the readers. It connects the readers to the author. It connects the readers to the author through the relatability of the message. So a theme creates difference between a great story that readers can relate to and a mediocre one. So let's go to the next element, which is conflict. So what is conflict? Okay, Jacqueline.
So conflict it is the main challenges that are faced by the characters. It can be a problem, a struggle, or a test that the character encounter in the story.
Okay, well said, very good. Another idea. Okay, Jeron.
Without conflict, there's no essence.
Okay, very good. So conflict is the main challenge that the characters will face and solve in the play. So this may be a dilemma, a struggle, or a test.
Yes.
So conflict provides crucial tension and it is used to drive the narrative forward. Furthermore, it holds the audience attention throughout the play because if there is no conflict, there is no thrill that we can the audience will not be amazed and entertained. Okay, there are types of conflict, and I know this was discussed by Mr. Lema Bale.
Yes.
So I hope that you do not forget this types. Okay, gonna have someone give me one types of conflict. Okay, Rhoda.
One versus himself.
Okay, very good. Another, princess.
Man versus teacher.
So what is man versus nature? Anybody? Okay, Madeline.
Man versus society.
What is man?
Okay. What is man versus nature?
Man versus nature. Man versus nature.
It's okay. Don't agree with everyone.
Okay, man versus nature and against nature ba? Like for example, winner. For example, nasa sa gawas, then ang winner is naman yan. For example, uwan or sobrang
Okay, well, that's very good. Okay, time of sunset. Okay, sunset. Okay, like another. Okay. Yes, very good. Another, the last one. Almira. Man versus Tanya. Man versus society. Very good. So I will not refer to this the meaning behind the types of contact because I know discussing this challenge I will not take so much time because we're already running out of time. So conflict it is often used to reveal a deeper meaning in a narrative while highlighting characters, motivations, values, and weaknesses. So that's all, and the next elements will be discussed by Terion Markley.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. So, next elements of drama that I will discuss is characters, language, and setting. First, character. So, character are the agents responsible for actions and conflicts in place are known. Place. It is the formation of the characters by a playwright that is known as characterization. It should be noted that the characters can be human agents, as in most cases, and they can be animal agents. So, what are the types of characters that discussed by other groups? Jacqueline. So, give the example of supporting characters.
Like the Margalantes. It is the most closest to the main characters and they help the main character to decide or to make decisions.
So, sabot naman sa characters. Hindi natin mag-discuss na tayo. So, what are characters or characterization? Next is language. The language of drama is the exchange means or communicative method adapted in the play. According to Aziz in 2001, it identifies 3 types of language: the verbal, gestural, and semiotic. So, verbal, example, kaya gusto na ito, example na. Ganyan, sa verbal. Right. Music words. Language, isa. Example of gestural. Example. Example.
Sign languages.
Ito para sa example lang.
Sign languages.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And symbolic. Example. Symbols.
Sign symbols.
Bawal tumawid.
Para siya, gesture.
Gesture na gesture.
Next is setting. This involves the location of the play, It may be divided into three: time, place, and atmosphere. Time relates to when the action takes place, and place indicates the location of the action in terms of physical space, while atmosphere describes the socio-psychological mood of the play. So, para madali, magkatago, story lang. For example, Harry Potter. Magkana ko ang site. Who are the main characters of Harry Potter? Harry Potter. Harry Potter, and the supporting character, for example. Confidentes na. Supporting character. Isa pa? Pati mga common. Iba lang. So, isa pa kung isa pa protagonist na story of Harry Potter. Antagonist. So, what are the language used in Harry Potter? English. Spanish. British o English na sabon. So, next is setting nila. School. So, sabot ko sa So, next to report is, let's celebrate.
We already discussed the types of dramas and the elements of drama, so let's proceed to some basic terms in drama. So first one is cast. So can I ask, class, what is cast? Other hand. Is it story and bring them to life through their performances. So, for example, sa Filipino series na Arna, nabigay sa matungang cast Playwright are the responsible in creating dialogues, characters, plots, and overall structure of dramatic work. For example, William Shakespeare is one of the famous playwrights in history. So let's proceed to conflict. Discuss naman ni Kuan ganiha. Conflict, damage,
characters which stand in opposition to the protagonist or the main character. So it is derived from the Greek word antagonist, which means opponent, competitor, enemy, or rival. So the antagonist is often the villain, but not always. So sometimes the antagonist is just a character who has opposite idea or goals that conflict with those of the protagonist.
Yeah.
Yes. So, can you please give me some example of antagonist? Di ka na ngayon ang pinagawa ba? Michael. Ano ngayon? The story of the So, line na po.
Wala si Sir.
So the antagonist is drive attention into the story, making it more engaging and compelling for the reader. So, let's proceed sa one.
Denoma is the denomen.
Denoma is a term used in literature to denote the final resolution or conclusion of a narrative. So, it's part of the story where the complexities of the plot are unveiled, conflicts are resolved, and all loose ends are tied up. So, this stage comes after the climax and falling action and typically provides a sense of closure to the reader. So the denoma can involve a variety of outcomes, such as a happy ending, tragic ending, surprising twist. So it may provide a moral or lesson, reveal the fate of the characters, or hint at future possibilities for the story. So it's part of the story where the author brings everything together and provides a satisfying conclusion. So, nasab ka na ang binang?
Yes!
So, proceed ta sa
Catharsis.
So what is catharsis? What? Verification of emotion. So, din mo kami yan. So catharsis, based on this research, catharsis is a term used in literature and drama to describe the emotional release or purification experienced by the audience or readers through witnessing the intense emotions and dramatic events of a story. So it is derived from the Greek word catharsis, which means purification or cleansing. Okay. So, in the context of storytelling, catharsis refers to the process of experiencing and releasing strong emotions such as fear, pity, sadness, joy, through the vicarious engagement with the characters and events in the narrative. So, it allows the audience to emphasize the characters' struggles and emotions, providing a sense of emotional release and relief. So, last is tragic flow. So what is tragic flow? Kanang tragic flow.
The story might have many situations and indeed has endings.
Thank you, Athena. So a tragic flow, also known as hamartia, it is a character that is portrayed in a
Hamarcha.
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 Is a characteristic or trait in a protagonist that leads to the downfall or tragic outcome in a story. So it is a concept often associated with great tragedy and is used to highlight the inherent human flaws or weaknesses that contribute to a character's tragic life. So, good afternoon. Continuation of some nursing drama. So, dramatic irony. Do you have any idea what is dramatic irony?
Irony.
Anyone? So, dramatic irony occurs when the audience or reader has knowledge or information that the character in a story or play do not possess. It creates a contrast between what the characters believe to be true and what the audience knows to be true. So, for example, in the drama which familiar man ng Wildflower.
Yeah.
Or, no, the Little White Egg.
Yeah.
The Little White. So, the audience knows that between the affair between Monica and Adrian. So, ang kaling dramatic irony is, the character is, wala siya kanang idea nga, iyahan ka ng si Adrian din ang abit. So, ang kaling dramatic irony is, kanang buwan bitaw siya o kanang then next is suspense. So kanit mo na dyan may idea what is suspense. Angel, what for you, what is suspense? Suspense is the So suspense is a feeling of anticipation, curiosity, or tensions created in a story or narrative. It keeps the audience or reader engaged and eager to know what will happen next. Suspense is often built through uncertainty, foreshadowing, and the withholding of key information. Like for example, in the dramas which is provinciano. So, diba, daghan kayo suspense nga.
Mga intense.
Yes. So, next is the soliloquy.
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 Yeah. Soliloquy.
Soliloquy.
Is a literary devices used in drama or theater where a character speaks their thoughts aloud, usually when they are alone in stage. It provides insight into the character inner thoughts, emotions, and motivations. So, ang soliloquy, ang God daw sa inner thoughts sa character, kanang yes. Monologue. Oh, yeah. I know you're there for soliloquy. Next is
Prologue.
prologue. So, a prologue is an introductory section or opening to a literary work, such as a play, novel, or poem. It sets the stage for the story, provides background, or introduces key themes or characters. Prologues often provide context or establish the tone and atmosphere of the work. So, dapat lang what is prologue. So next is provides a glimpse into the future of the character or event. So that's it.
That's it.
That's
That's it. That's it.
Another basic terms in drama are chorus, flashback, director, and producer. Any idea about chorus? Anyone?
Chorus sa kanta.
Okay. Chorus, it is a couple or a band of people in a play who makes it upon themselves as a group to comment on the proceedings of the dramatic action. So, the group sheds light on the unfolding events and prepares the audience to what is to follow. Next is flashback. Anyone has an idea about flashback? What is flashback in your own idea?
Flashback is you are to interject the earlier occurrence or going back to the past. Like there is an interaction of chronological sequence of events by interjection of an earlier occurrence.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So, flashback, this is a literary technique invading the recalling of an earlier scene, action, or event which sheds further light on what is currently happening.
Yes. Flashbacking. Or showing the past.
Next is the director.
Layo lang ha.
Perdita. So, director, it is a theater artist who directs the speech, movement, and actions of the actors and actresses in the interpretation of different characters in the play. The last, what is producer? Yes, sir.
The one who goes to play and without the producer, there is no drama. No, yes, oh, the answer. Whatever, sir.
So in stage drama, producer refers to the person or organization who brings the performance about and also funds. So that's all. Everyone, my name is Maria. I will be here for today. Last one niya is some ways terms in drama is the interlude.
Interlude.
Interlude. Inside, so interlude is a brief performance which serves as an interval to a main performance. So, ang interlude kuno, mao kuno ni siya ang tanan nito, a short break na mahitabo sa usa ka movie or usa ka drama. So, let's say for example is advertisement. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano ba?
Yeah.
So, this is prompter. Wala siya pwede prompter.
Oo.
Prompter is
Anong ilang plan? Ilang.
yeah. Derek, do you have any idea about prompter?
So for me, kanang prompter is like a kanang
Person have the lines.
kanang marami nilang lines jud or something na parang atong mga isot sa actress. Parang natin na sa TV.
Yeah. Sakto to given Derek. So, ang prompter is during a performance, the prompter is siya ba tayo magdaog script?
Script, yes.
Sa mutapos sa audience para ang flow sa drama is mag-continue bitaw
Yes.
kahit ano ka. So, nakay reference yung lahay na para imong drama Next is audition. Kinsa may nag-iba niyo sa report ka? Audition. Screening. So audition is karang audition is a process by which actors and actresses are chosen for specific roles in a performance. This part involves the reading of the lines from the play to the hearing of the director. So audition is used karang mag-audition ka para makita ang director kung kinsa yung fit ano ang role. Yes. Okay. Next is climax. So climax kay ba naman tawag sa climax?
Sorry.
No more.
So we're running out of time, so that's all. So first is we will go to the next.